We have another message here. Greetings to the people of South Sudan. I am Emmanuel from Khartoum. Can you play for me the song called Ingele by DJ
We
Sent?
have Dude Mathiang here saying that, greetings Bingo, I want to listen.
I wanted to let you know that the Weekend Show is my favorite show on SSBC, and that is why I am still awake until 3 a.m. in New York time. Kai, yahui. Until this time, you are still awake. Shukran Shedid, Dude Anthony, and just to participate in the show, and I want to dedicate a song to my late mother, Nico Ja Mama. Okay, he has already sent me the link. Okay, I'll try to get you that track, my brother. I'll try to download it. Okay, let's first of all try also to get a call. Thank you so much, Dude, for being awake until 3 a.m. in New York. Thank you so much for that. We are actually working on you. Actually got your song downloaded it, so we will be coming shortly. Okay, so let's go for some track, and we shall be back after this. We'll have to say thank you so much for tuning to the Weekend Show. We shall be having the Weekend Show every Saturday, actually every Saturday from 10:30 to 12. And of course, Sunday from 10:30 also to 12, but it will be on a repeat. Sunday will be a repeat, and today is live. So tomorrow, you don't need to call. You just need to sit, relax, and, of course, for those of you that are going to miss the show, or for those of you that love the show so much, you can just watch it again tomorrow. But anyway, we'll have to say thank you so much for tuning to the show. My name is Simon Bingo, and all the way, I'll be with you here until that time. I don't know what time is that, but that time that it will end.